Thank you, Divine. Thank you, Source. Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Gaia. Just gratitude to the Most High, man. Gratitude to Divine. I was sitting right here and I was thinking, man, the greatest thing in life that you can know is yourself. The greatest thing in life that you can know is yourself, because no one knows you like you. No one gets you like you get yourself. Because there's many different parts of yourself. It's many different versions of you. Which one are you existing in today? And it all stems from your choices. Who you are choosing to be. Who you are choosing to become. When you allow outside influences to influence your mind in here, then it begins to get to you. Once it gets to your mind, then it got to you. You can't let it get to your mind. Your mind can't defend itself. Don't forget that. You are cosmic. Everything has been set in place for you. Everything has been set in stone. So everything that you're experiencing, you're supposed to be experiencing it. And it's a guidance source behind it. The things that you are following intuitively, your intuition. As long as you listening to yourself and knowing yourself, then you exactly where you need to be. You exactly where you need to be. Can't no one take you from you. Can't no one enter your energy without your permission. You have to willingly submit and allow. Other than that, you got defenses all set up in your mind, in your spirit, in your soul, in your essence. Because source is all about balance. The yin and yang. You must maintain who you are in the center of both of those things, no matter what's going on in your reality. But you got to choose to see what you want to see, though, at the same time. You just can't. Some things in the world, it comes to show us something about us. Some of our life experiences, it shows us things about ourselves. We're experiencing our lives experiences for a reason. I received that when you go through certain experiences in life, you don't only gain your knowledge and wisdom from it, but you gain a deeper understanding, a deeper sense of self. Because it's only you that's going to fulfill your purpose. And what is your purpose? It's what you're doing for your blood, your DNA. It's what you're doing for yourself. The work. The voice in your head that's telling you exactly what you need to do, what you need to stop doing, what you need to get rid of. You have to listen to yourself. Don't listen to that voice that's always trying to throw that voice off and turn it off. That's your ego. Listen to your higher self. Listen to nature. Listen to source. Because nothing is here without source. So you shouldn't want any other guidance out here externally besides the one that source aligns in your life. Now align yourself with who you are. Now ask yourself, who are you? Continue to grow in life, man. Don't be afraid of your own power, of your own gifts, of what you might experience in life, because now you're worrying about the future. Instead of worrying about it, create it. Create what you want to experience. Don't worry about what you don't want to experience. Because what simply is out of your control, it's out of your control. You got to deal with what's in your control. Just listen. Listen to your heart, like I said. It all speaks. It has its own sound, its own resonance. Everything is vibrating right now. Everything is energy, so therefore everything is alive. Everything in life is serving one another. So why aren't we? We should be doing it even more. I know we are. But we should be doing it even more is what I really was trying to say. We should see more of that. We seeing it. It's happening regardless. But be aware of it. Thank you, Source. Thank you, Nature, man. Thank you, Ancestors. Thank you, Divine. Thank you, Source.